about what is command, उसका subject sentence structure क्या है. Then we spoke about negative commands. Now indirect commands. Usually the verbs order, ask, tell और say are used in order to indicate an indirect command. अगर आपने किसी को indirectly कोई चीज़ command करनी है तो आपने verb use करने हैं वो order हैं, ask, tell और say. These will be used in order to indicate an indirect command. And these words will always be followed by an infinitive form of the verb. So far it was just simple form of the verb. But जब भी आपके पास indirect command होगी जिसमें आपके पास loves, order, आस्क, टेल और से वर्ब यूज़ हो रहे होंगे तो हमेशा आपके पास इन्फिनेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब होगा. इसके एग्जांपल्स में समझ लेते हैं. जॉन टोल्ड मैरी टू क्लोज द डोर. नाउ इट्स टोल्ड, इट्स एन इनडायरेक्ट कमांड बिकॉज जॉन ने मैरी से कहना है. इट्स नॉट डायरेक्टली सब्जेक्ट ऑफ यू, इट्स एन इनडायरेक्ट कमांड. सो दिस द वर्ब इज ऑलवेज बी in a infinitive form. Second example, Jack asked Jill, this is again indirect command, to turn off the light. Number third, the teacher told Christopher to open the window. Again this में आपके पास told है, which is tell, then ask, then told again. To open the window, this is infinitive form of verb. Another example, please tell Jane to leave the room. Again this is the first simple form, it's an infinitive form of the verb, and the word tell says that it's an indirect command. John ordered Bill, again it's indirect command, to close his book. To close is an infinitive form of the verb. The policeman ordered the suspect. Now this ordered means again it's an indirect command because it is indirectly being conveyed to suspect, to be quiet. So this is infinitive form of verb. We spoke about the commands, we spoke about negative commands and indirect commands. Now अगर आपकी negative command indirect command होगी तो उसमें आप क्या करेंगे? To make an indirect command, जिसको अभी हमने study किया, negative, just add the particle not before the infinitive. अब आपका sentence structure होगा